So it seems as if our sources were correct. We got a shock drop this week, but it was not what we expected. I think Nike is totally playing mind games with everybody right now. Let's talk about it in today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's latest and greatest video, man. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. It's Friday. Tomorrow we got some dope sneakers releasing, being the Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivories. And I'm telling y'all, man, I got hits of NOIR, hits of J Balvin, hits of Off-White, all types of stuff in one sneaker. And I feel like they will relatively go under the radar, but people that do appreciate threes and appreciate that sneaker will be going after and grabbing it. I did a full review and on feed over that Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivory, so make sure you guys go tap in with it. I told y'all it's a keeper in the collection, and them joints is crispy to me. If you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. And for all my supporters out there that's into fragrances, colognes, perfumes, I know I got a bunch of women supporters on the channel, man. Shouts out to y'all. And Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and Jomashop has us all covered as far as getting a gift for yourself or to a significant other in the form of some nice fragrances, perfumes, colognes, whatever you are interested in copying for yourself or that significant other. They have up to 45% off most of their products. Even me myself, I spent a little penny today on some colognes, but I couldn't pass up on that discount. 45% off. The total's like $800, and then altogether after the discount code was applied, I think I paid about $500 altogether with taxes and shipping included. If you want to stack up on your Creeds, your Perfume de Marley's, your Tom Fords, your Pradas, all that stuff, it is the perfect time to get it right now over on Jomashop. I'm gonna link it down below. Use that code VDAY. Just click the link down below. It will already apply to whatever colognes you do want to get. Make sure you guys go tap in with it, especially if you want to get some nice Creed, some Perfume de Marley's, all types of stuff. And I can't wait for my package to get here in a couple days so I can show y'all what they're hitting for. All right, guys, like I said, man, today on the Nike Sneakers app, bro. Today on Nike Sneakers app, we got that shock drop. And I started the video like that because a lot of our sources were saying we are getting a shock drop this week. And it did happen, bro. It definitely happened. So y'all can't be mad at me that much because the sources was right. They said we're getting a shock drop. And I said, yo, it has to be the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, which we do have right here. I know a lot of you guys probably tired of hearing me talk about it, but this sneaker right here is literally the talk of the talk right now. People are confused on why they shock dropping other sneakers, not shock dropping these. Because today, if you don't know, they shock dropped the Air Jordan 1, a women's exclusive metallic gold. And I did get a pair on this shock drop today. So as soon as it does come in, I'm going to break it down, see what things hitting for. But as far as me keeping them, I don't know just yet. I don't never see myself rocking like an all white and gold pair of shoes, but still be super interested in seeing how the leather is hidden with that metallic gold hitting for, and still relatively decent sneaker in my opinion. But the shock drop we all wanted from Nike was for these Bred Reimagined. I know y'all like, yo, Nike playing games, they still ain't shock dropping, we ain't hearing no buzz around them. And I feel like the sources that told us it was a shock drop this week kind of played us too, because you know everybody wants these joints right here. Like I want to double up. And if you guys don't remember, I literally just got these Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, so I was, you know, behind the power curve as far as checking them out, seeing what they're hitting for. And that shape, bruh, on these joints matches perfectly with the SB4s that dropped last year. I love them, bruh. And I seen the shape on the military blue 4s as well. Both of them joints is gas, bro. It's gonna be a tough decision for me on which one is the sneaker of the year, the Bred Reimagined or the Air Jordan 4 military blue. I know a lot of y'all probably still asking, are we going to get a shock drop? It's all up in the air right now. Like I said, they did say it was a shock drop this week. It happened today, but not for the shoe we anticipated them to drop, because let's be honest, all them joints are still currently sitting on the sneakers app. If you want to hit on a pair of the metallic gold Air Jordan 1 women's exclusive, you can go ahead and get them right now. If you don't need the shoe, don't cop it. I think Nike playing games. I think they're trying to thicken the plot up a little bit more and just building more hype, building more anticipation around the Bred 4 Reimagined. And I was thinking about it, bro. I was sitting back last night like, it gotta be somebody on Nike's team, Jordan team, that's like watching us YouTubers kind of, you know, do the job for them. If you think about it, they really haven't done any promo or anything in regards to Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, and they're supposed to be releasing on the 17th. Literally less than about, what, 15 days now, we will be getting that drop. You haven't seen them popping up on the sneakers app You ain't seen them popping up on, you know, Nike or official images here and there. They just literally say, you know what, they dropped February 17th, and as of right now, no shock drop. We ain't heard no exclusive access. We don't see nothing dope, you know, or no promo surrounding these joints. So I think they sitting back watching like, yo, look at these YouTubers that's making all these videos for us. Hey, it's smart on their end, but at the end of the day, bruh, Nike, y'all gotta shock drop these Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined because everybody want them joints. Another reason why I really want them to do this shock drop is to, you know, kind of weed out the bots, help the regular people out that's like, you know, normal consumers that's, you know, not too crazy about shoes, but they seen these and want them. Because if you guys were on 2021 or 2020, when did the Lost and Found drop? Whenever the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s dropped, that release was cooked. It was terrible. Nobody could hit. It was signing people out. Error messages here, error messages there, and I do not think those Lost and Found shock drop. I think they did exclusive access and they did just a regular drop from things, if I'm not mistaken. But you guys seen how the release went, bro. You seen how the release went. It was terrible. Nobody could hit. If they don't shock drop these right here, I'm telling y'all, these are going to turn into a major problem, bro. And I'm gonna go over to StockX real quick just to check out the resale value, see what they hitting for. They was going for around 340, 360 in most sizes of the day, and now currently they going down, bro. They are honestly going down. The Bred Reimagined, I'm gonna take a little screenshot and put up over here, but most of the sizes going for that 300 to that 360 price range. That's on the high side. Actually, for size 13, which is on unicorn sizes, is $403, but it dropped tremendously from the other day from us talking about the shock drop. So hopefully the pairs are, you know, starting to get out. Hopefully the pairs are already in Foot Locker and stuff like that. If you do work at Foot Locker, let us know down below in the comment section if y'all do have your stock champs. All those shoe spots, if you work there, let us know in the comment section. Hey man, I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Again, make sure you check out Jomashop. I had to show you guys the creeds, man. I've been going crazy. Shouts out to a couple of the homies that kind of, you know, put me on, let me know which ones to get. But right now, this is what I have, and I'm loving all them joints, bro. But you can save up to 45% off your order over on Jomashop right now. Click the link down below. Valentine's Day special. Get something for yourself, for your lady, or vice versa. Get something for your man. They're gonna love the gift. Who don't like smelling good, man? Again, thanks for tuning in. I love y'all. Sub up if you're new. Hit that like button. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.
Wake up and beg up this year, jump out the crib, stack up my C-note this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this. I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real. I'm in control of my feels. You see my highlights and study my real. Yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year. The world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence. I'm serving up chills to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam. Everything good on the side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key, they heat it. California on the plates, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking. She want me for the weekend.